We guide you through how to add shadow effect in CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project, then import the photo, video, text, or sticker where you want to add the shadow. Tap on the element, then look for the shadow option in the editing menu. Enable shadow and adjust the settings such as opacity, blur, distance, angle, and color to create the look you want. Increase the blur for a softer shadow or reduce it for a sharper effect. You can also move the shadow position to match your video's lighting and style. Review your changes and make small adjustments until the shadow looks natural and visually appealing. Once you are satisfied with the result, tap Export to save your video in a preferred high quality.